Reversing diabetes. Here is a juice that helps you to reduce blood sugar levels in your body. For this, we need spinach, pineapple, banana, and almond milk. Spinach. Spinach cures diabetes. It prevents cancer. Spinach lowers blood pressure in the body, strengthens immune system, and fights diseases. Spinach is low in calories and high in nutrients. It is high antioxidant also. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamins, nutrients, minerals. Reduces the risk of diabetes. It is low in calories and high in fiber. Improves heart health. Rich in vitamin C. Banana. Banana is rich in potassium and so many other minerals. Contains vitamin A, B and E. Banana gives instant energy and promotes blood circulation. Almond milk. Almond milk is not only delicious, it is having so many health benefits. It strengthens heart, maintain normal blood pressure, good antioxidant, reduces tension and stress. Let us start the process. Take a blending jar. Place spinach into it. Pineapple pieces. Banana pieces. Almond milk. Now start the blending. Take the juice into a glass. This is a great, refreshing, delicious, healthy juice that keeps you energetic and sugar-free. Have spinach juice daily to kill diabetes. Take this juice daily for better results.